Let's shift our focus to Andhra Pradesh now. Well, this state, considered as the gateway for southern tourism, is fast emerging as the most attractive destination for foreign as well as domestic tourists. Well, this was revealed in the report of the Indian Tourism Industry Analysis of RNCOS. Our Hyderabad correspondent MS Shankar has more details.
Andhra Pradesh has emerged as the leading Indian state that attracts a large number of both domestic and international tourists and ranks first among the states in terms of tourist arrivals, says Indian Tourism Industry Analysis, a new research report from RNCOS. According to the report, what lures tourists to Andhra Pradesh is its scenic beauty and unique amalgamation of diverse cultures. People come here to see architectural sites, heritage monuments, prosperous temples, rich flora and fauna, exotic hill stations, cascading waterfalls, sparkling lakes, lofty hills, and Buddhist pagodas. Moreover, the world's richest temple at Tirupati is one of the main attractions of Andhra Pradesh, drawing tourists from all around the globe. With over 500 tourist sites across the state, Andhra Pradesh is a booming tourist destination in India. The government has launched 68 projects in the last 4 years with the total investment of $368.293 million to promote its tourism industry. Besides 88 projects with total cost of $197.561 million have been kicked off by the private sector due to the state's proactive role. Tourists with interest in primitive architecture comes to Andhra Pradesh as it has remains of many famous dynasties as old as 300 BC and Buddhist centers. Furthermore, the state is distinct for its local food, cuisines, delicacies, exquisite handicrafts, vibrant festivities, and hospitable nature of people that make visit to the state an unforgettable experience, as per the RNCOS report. With camera person Tarak Ram, this is MS Shankar reporting from Hyderabad for Real Estate Television.